And let's go ahead and look at our license dialog. Now let's talk about this dialog here while it's up. If you're going to run it initially and it's not licensed yet, you obviously have a register button. You copy and paste your activation code here. Go ahead and register the product. Also, if you don't have an activation code, the program will come up in demo mode just like we showed you. And if you run the license dialog, you can actually request your activation code. Let's go ahead and do that if you happen to need to request it. So it'll load up your browser, and I'll take you to a form on MecSoft.com where you can fill it out and request your activation codes. And you'll receive those in an email. So that's any emails that you receive from us, do make sure that you keep them in a safe place and so that you can refer back to them. Okay.